Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Becca. I'm a mom to 3 boys and a military spouse, and today we are doing a busy mom day in the life. We have a lot of things we need to get done. We have the teacher, meet the teacher tonight for Grayson. We have some laundry, all of that stuff. I actually, washed my hair today, took a shower. Feel all nice and cleaned up now, so now we're gonna get to stuff. I have to cook dinner really early tonight because of meet the teacher, and I don't want to eat too late. So we are going to make dinner in a little bit here soon too. Sorry, I feel like there's a piece of hair on my face. It's like itching my face. But anyways, now we are going to work on getting all these school supplies put together. Don't mind Grayson. We're gonna get these school supplies put together so that we can get everything ready to go for meet the teacher tonight. So when it's time to go, we'll just grab our stuff and go. That way he doesn't have to bring all the supplies in on the first day and like carry it in his backpack. Instead, we can just do it tonight, bring it all in tonight so that it's all already there for him. So we're gonna put that stuff together now. We actually just got his backpack in as well. Perfect timing. It said it would be here the 12th through the 16th, and it's the 11th today, so it came even faster than I thought, which I'm really happy with because I was worried it wouldn't be here in enough time, but it also glows in the dark, but we love it. It turned out so good. All right guys, now that that is all done, we are going to start making dinner. I'm gonna do my chicken salad tonight. If you've been around for a long time, you know this recipe. It's so delicious. But we're gonna do chicken salad tonight, so I'm gonna get everything started, get everything going so that we can hurry up and eat before we have to go to meet the teacher. all done eating now. I'm about to open up an energy drink. We're gonna go to meet the teacher. And then I'm gonna clean up everything once I get back. Not even worry about it right now. It's kind of trashed, but I'll clean the rest of it up when we get back. We gotta get going. We're kind of running close on time. So get down there, meet the teacher, get that done and over with, and then I'll get back here and start cleaning up, and hopefully this energy drink gives me the energy I need to get everything cleaned up. All right, we're back from the school now. It started like downpouring and like thundering and lightning while we were down there. But we're back now. I have some clothes in the wash that I need to switch over, or some blankets, some sheets in the wash that I need to switch over. I have laundry in the dryer that I need to fold. So we're gonna work on that before we head downstairs and take care of the kitchen, which I have zero desire to do right now. But you know, if I go to bed with a clean kitchen, I know it'll feel good. So just keep telling myself, just get it done. I'm also still sipping on my energy drink. No desire to get any of this done, but we're gonna do it. I hope you guys have more motivation than me today. Let's go do this laundry. All right, laundry is all switched and the last of laundry is now working. Now it's time for us to clean up this nasty kitchen, deal with these dishes, get it all cleaned up, get it taken care of, get these kids to bed. That way I can get in bed and relax, and you know, it's just like one step. Keep moving, keep pushing forward, one step at a time so that I can relax, right? All right. Let's get this kitchen cleaned up. Everything is cleaned up. Chris got the kids to bed tonight while I cleaned everything up. It's spotless. I will be so happy when I come down in the morning that I did that. I'm about to run the vacuum. I'm gonna go upstairs and take a shower, run the vacuum, edit this vlog, and then go to bed. I'm trying to get everything done so that this weekend I can take my last weekend off with the kids because they start school on Monday. So I really want to just take this weekend off, focus on the kids. I have a dinner date with a friend on Saturday too, so I just really want to enjoy the weekend and not have to work. So just trying to get ahead on stuff. So Meet the Teacher went really good. From what I could tell, I really like Grayson's teacher. She seems super sweet, super nice. Seems like she's gonna be a really good fit. She seems like she's pretty, really sweet and nurturing type of soul, which Grayson really needs because he's like a gentle soul. So he needs that. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll be a great fit. He has a good year. I'm excited for them to start school and to get into a routine. I've been working out on and off for the last few weeks. Some weeks I work out 4 to 5 days a week. Some weeks I work out 1 day a week. Like, it's just kind of whatever is possible for me right now with all the kids home. So I'm looking forward to, you know, the kids getting back into school, getting on a better routine, being forced into a routine, getting more organized, because I thrive on like being organized and having that stability, you know. But I also struggle with staying on task. So if I'm not like forced to do it, it's like, it's hard for me to force myself to do it, if that makes any sense. So it'll be nice to get back on that schedule. So it'll suck to get up at 6 a.m. again, but because I'm not a morning person, but it'll be worth it to get back on schedule and back on routine and everything. So I'm looking forward to, you know, the new school year. I could tell that Grayson was a little overwhelmed this afternoon at Meet the Teacher because, you know, he thrives on consistency and everything's kind of changing. Like, it's the same school, but it's a new teacher and it's a new classroom and stuff. And so like, I could tell it was a little overwhelming for him. So we'll see how the first few days go. There's at least 2 kids in the classroom that he knows. So I'm hoping that will like keep him, you know, excited, but we'll just have to wait and see, because I just hope that it's not a struggle the first week or 2, because it just breaks my little mom heart whenever he is like sad going off to school. Because last year the first week was really difficult because he had never been in a school setting, so it was his first time and it was hard, and it's just hard dropping them off when they're sad. And I'm just hoping that he gets comfortable in his new classroom really quickly so that, you know, he's happy. But we'll see. We will see. So I'm looking forward to seeing how next week goes, but I also am looking forward to taking the weekend off so we can have some fun this weekend with the kids before they have to go back to work, before they have to go back to school. So there was something else that I wanted to talk about on here and I don't remember what that was, so I guess I'll just leave it at that. I was able to squeeze in 2 videos this week. If I have like a haul to do or something that isn't included in a vlog or isn't on a day where I plan on vlogging, I will definitely have that as like a bonus video, because, you know, they're easier to film and edit and post. And I do love doing content like that. It doesn't always do well, but I still enjoy doing it and it's not a ton of work. So if I'm able to get that out, then I definitely will. So yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys for now. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.